Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Amazfit GTR 2E smartwatch. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this smartwatch. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The Amazfit GTR 2 line continues to expand with the addition of the GTR 2E. While it's identical to the original GTR 2, it boasts more battery life and comes at a less expensive price. However, you'll lose the built-in speaker. This means it's not possible to utilize the watch to make calls. The GTR 2E came out along with its predecessor, the GTS 2E, and both smartwatches are now available within the UK. If you're interested in knowing what this watch can do in the real world, continue reading. The GTR 2E from Amazfit has the same design as the original GTR 2, with a large, circular face, as well as the strap made of silicone. The model I tried was black. However, you can also purchase the watch with light gray or a light green appearance. The display isn't as big and clear like GTR 2. It's smaller and less clear than GTR 2, with a 2.5D flat finish instead of the 3D curved version. The bezel around the face is made from aluminum and covered in glass. This 1.39-inch AMOLED screen is constructed out of tempered glass and has an anti-fingerprint vapor coating. The watch was unable to show marks after several weeks of wear. The coating functions effectively. However, the strap made of silicone isn't breathable and frequently causes my arm to become sweaty and dirty after intense training. Always remove it, wash it, and dry it off after the workout. The heart rate monitor on this watch appears to be largely accurate and is similar to measurements I've had from different fitness monitors. It's also able to take readings on your stress levels as well as oxygen saturation levels. I had a few glitches making my oxygen saturation readings, which the watch was constantly telling me that I needed to change my position despite the fact that I was putting it where the watch was directed horizontally at a table with no moving. The same issue I had on GTR 2. The temperature reading is a brand new feature that was able to give regular readings. Amazfit states that to get the most precise data, the watch should be placed against your skin during at 15 minutes at a minimum, as other elements like the surrounding environment could affect the reading. The Amazfit GTR 2E runs on Huami's customized OS. This means that there's not support for applications from third-party companies on the watch, such as Spotify or MyFitnessPal. The watch is equipped with a variety of the basic features you'll require, such as alarms, calendars, notifications for phones, and even the forecast for weather. The app itself is an organized layout with sections that detail the exercise you've performed, as well as your sleep, heart rate, your total steps throughout the day, and much other. The app offers more in-depth tips as well, such as sleep logs, where you can include additional details like what you consumed prior to bed and how it affected your sleep. You can use the app to customize the preferences of your watch. This can include changing the face of your watch, as well as setting the watch to follow your dominant hand, altering the notifications you receive, and more. One of the things that stands out concerning the GTR 2E watch is its battery capacity. Although it has the same cell size of 471 mAh that is in that of the GTR 2, the omission of certain features means that the average battery life is 24 days, which is 10 days longer than the more expensive model. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. Pros: super long battery life, decent exercise tracking, simple interface. Cons: the readings of oxygen saturation don't always work. The material on the straps is a bit like it's made of plastic. App is not as good as its competitors. The Amazfit GTR 2E smartwatch is another smartwatch made by Amazfit which packs a punch at a reasonable price, especially in terms of battery time. This is among the most durable gadgets available moment, and if this is the main factor that you consider, then this is an option. However, the oxygen saturation tracking is not reliable, and the strap made of silicone creates a feeling less luxurious. This app application also requires some tweaks and refinements. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. have fun, and keep up the good work.